Someone want to grab that drill and the tape out of there before it gets covered with speckles of paint? It's going to get gross.
What a Parallax before we do that one.
Well, the last time they had it going the other way and it overshot the target and hit the neighbor's building.
18 seconds worth.
Not happy, huh?
It works better with a battery in it.
You're talking crazy talk.
Alright. And a disclaimer out there, one of my guns has a bad O-ring, so once in a while it doesn't shoot, and the paintball stays in, and it pops the paintball when it loads the second one. That's always embarrassing.
So stand back a little longer?
Yeah.
You got the wrong suspects out there.
Well, you can go change them.
You got about 1 minute.
Those guys are posers. I'm not going to bother. You made Chip look like an amoeba.
I need to vote. Ken or Chip first?
Definitely.
What?
Sacrifice me.
Okay. The water's a nice effect over there. I like it. Ken, you want to take it around?
Let someone else shoot. I've shot it before. It's so much fun.
Lauren wants to do it.
Lauren, yeah, definitely.
Lauren.
Funny.
I do laugh. You might want to move back.
Definitely Lauren. Reward for organizing this thing.
And the program is written in a really horrible way, because I'm learning, that when it senses the magnet, it fires the gun and shuts off. But if it's sitting on the magnet when you stop, it leaves the valve open, which it shouldn't do. That's just a simple fix that I'm going to do later. So if you stop firing and it's going, you just give it a little boop on the trigger, and it advances the gun just a teeny bit. Nothing bad happens, but hold it like a shotgun. It's pretty. Yes. Oh, you just shot it. Oh, the bunny! Don't shoot! Run, bunny, run!
Car, hold on.
A white car. Use Arduino's hit him.
Anyone else want to try?
Anybody else?
Nice, Lauren. Good job.
Parallax employees, anybody? Anybody? Bo, you shot this? John?
I should have.
All right, you should have. All right.
Photo for toy makers. Too violent?
Yeah. There it is. Bad programming. I'm not afraid to admit it.
It's a feature.
What's that?
It's a feature.
It's a feature, not a flaw. That's when that happens. The other guys go, he's out of air, and they stand up.
Exactly. That's what he's reloading. Damn. Yeah, exactly.
Come on, Ken. Chuck, you want to shoot it?
Oh, go ahead.
Come here, Chuck. Come here. It's like Ken and Chip together. Besides, last time you shot, you overshot the target and hit the building.
What do you want me to do? That thing?
Whatever you want to hit. All right, so hold it like a shotgun.
Like this?
No, underneath here. No, reach under the hopper. There, right here. Yeah, like that.
Oh, right there, okay.
There you go.
This is great.
You like that?
Let somebody else.
And one of the features it has is it unloads when that gun wasn't firing. It comes around here and unloads the paintball from the barrel automatically, so it doesn't reload and pop them. It's supposed to anyway. So it's got slow. There's see that's one not firing. It's got slow speed. So you can shoot one or two at a time. And that's the show.
That's awesome. That's really cool. Thank you.
There's a couple paintballs left, but I'll take them home and put them in your pocket.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome.